Are you on the hunt for reliable industrial power tools that can tackle the toughest jobs with ease? Look no further. Whether you're a professional contractor or a passionate DIY enthusiast, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore 7 top-rated heavy-duty power tools that deliver exceptional performance, durability, and efficiency. From versatile drills to high-precision saws, these tools are designed to help you get the job done right. Let's dive into the list of game-changing tools that deserve a spot in your toolbox. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit is a standout performer in the world of heavy-duty tools. Known for its robust design and reliability, this drill is built to last. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip during extended use, reducing hand fatigue, while the compact and lightweight structure makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. This tool boasts a high-performance motor delivering 300 unit watts out, UWO, making it powerful enough to handle various tasks, from driving screws to drilling through tough materials like wood, metal, and plastic. The 2-speed transmission gives you control over speed and torque, with settings for both precision and power. Durability is a hallmark of this drill, thanks to its sturdy construction and high-quality materials. The 20V lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting performance, and the included charger gets you back to work quickly. DEWALT's inclusion of a 1/2-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes swift and hassle-free. For anyone seeking a dependable and efficient cordless drill, the DEWALT 20V Max is a go-to choice.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit 5-Speed. The HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a compact powerhouse that excels in precision and versatility. Designed with a sleek, lightweight body, it's perfect for detailed work like engraving, sanding, and polishing. The ergonomic grip ensures excellent control, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals working on intricate tasks. Equipped with a 5-speed adjustable motor, this rotary tool offers versatility for various applications. You can dial it down for delicate work or ramp it up to tackle tougher materials. The cordless design ensures you're not tethered to an outlet, allowing for maximum mobility and convenience. Its USB rechargeable battery provides a solid runtime, making it a practical choice for extended projects. The HARDELL kit includes a comprehensive set of accessories, adding to its versatility. Whether you're engraving metal, polishing glass, or shaping wood, this rotary tool delivers reliable results. The durable construction ensures it can handle frequent use without wear and tear. If you need a portable yet powerful rotary tool, the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool is a top contender. Number 3. Dremel 4300-540 High-Performance Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 4300-540 High-Performance Rotary Toolkit redefines versatility and performance. This rotary tool features a powerful motor that operates smoothly and consistently, even under heavy workloads. Its slim design and ergonomic grip make it a joy to use, offering precise control for detailed work. What sets this tool apart is its innovative EZ change mechanism, allowing for quick and tool-free accessory swaps. With 40 accessories and 5 attachments included, you can take on a wide range of tasks, from cutting and grinding to engraving and polishing. The variable speed control, ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, ensures precision and power are always at your fingertips. Durability is a strong point, with high-quality components ensuring a long lifespan. The pivot light feature enhances visibility in tight spaces, making detailed work easier. Whether you're crafting, repairing, or performing heavy-duty projects, the Dremel 4300 delivers exceptional results with its unparalleled performance and adaptability. Number 4. SKIL Corded Multifunction Detail Sander. The SKIL Corded Multifunction Detail Sander is a must-have for anyone tackling woodworking or refinishing projects. With its compact design and pointed sanding pad, this tool excels at reaching into tight corners and crevices. The ergonomic handle and lightweight construction make it easy to use, even during extended sanding sessions. Equipped with a powerful 1-amp motor, this sander operates at 12,000 orbits per minute, ensuring fast and smooth results. The microfiltration system effectively traps dust, keeping your workspace clean and improving visibility as you work. The dust-sealed switch enhances durability by preventing debris from clogging the controls. The hook and loop pad system allows for quick and secure sandpaper changes, making the tool user-friendly and efficient. Its ability to handle both rough and fine sanding makes it versatile for a wide range of projects. Whether you're refinishing furniture or preparing surfaces for painting, the SKIL multifunction detail sander is a reliable partner. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Cordless Drill Driver plus 30 piece bits. The BLACK+DECKER Cordless Drill Driver is a versatile and user-friendly tool that stands out for its convenience and performance. The lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to handle, even for extended periods. Its compact size ensures you can work in tight spaces without hassle. This drill features an 11-position clutch, which offers precise control and prevents stripping screws or damaging materials. Powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, it provides ample runtime and is ready to hold a charge for up to 18 months. The cordless design enhances mobility, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. The kit includes 30 bits, covering a variety of applications from drilling to fastening. The keyless chuck ensures quick bit changes, streamlining your workflow. Durability and reliability are hallmarks of this tool, making it a great choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals. The BLACK+DECKER Cordless Drill Driver is perfect for everyday tasks, ensuring you always have the right tool for the job. Number 6. Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw 10 Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw is a game changer for anyone needing precision cutting. With its robust 15-amp motor, this saw delivers 5,000 RPM, making quick work of tough materials like wood, aluminum, and PVC. The 10-inch blade ensures smooth, accurate cuts every time. Its design is built for convenience and performance. The saw features a thumb-actuated positive stop for quick angle adjustments, allowing you to make precise bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. The large table provides stability and ample support for materials, while the horizontal handle ensures comfortable operation. Durability is a key strength, with solid construction designed to withstand heavy use. The lightweight frame makes it portable without compromising on stability. This tool is ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, offering reliable performance for framing, crown molding, and other cutting projects. The Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw is a top-tier choice for precision and power. Number 7. COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill Electric Power. The COMOWARE 20V cordless drill is a versatile tool that combines power and convenience. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy handling, making it perfect for various applications, from home repairs to professional projects. The ergonomic grip adds to the comfort, reducing fatigue during long sessions. This drill is powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, providing excellent runtime and consistent performance. The 2-speed gearbox allows you to switch between high-speed drilling and low-speed torque, ensuring you have the right settings for any task. The 21+1 torque adjustment positions give you precise control, minimizing the risk of damaging materials. The kit includes a set of drill and driver bits, enhancing its versatility. The durable construction ensures this tool can withstand heavy use, making it a reliable addition to your toolkit. The keyless chuck allows for quick bit changes, while the LED work light ensures visibility in dimly lit areas. The COMOWARE cordless drill delivers great value for money, offering efficiency and performance in one compact package. There you have it, 7 top-rated industrial power tools that bring power, precision, and durability to your projects. Each tool on this list offers unique features designed to meet a wide range of needs, from DIY projects to professional-grade tasks. Investing in quality tools like these ensures you're always equipped to tackle challenges with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and recommendations. Share your thoughts on these tools in the comments below. Which one are you adding to your collection? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.